Tonight, the politics of pop-up vaccination sites. Following concern and outrage that the governor is now playing politics with the life-saving COVID-19 vaccine, we decided to take a closer look at all locations where the state is providing these extra shots. Here's what we found.
It wasn't a choice about zip codes. It was a choice about where's a high concentration of seniors.
It was a governor-chosen COVID vaccine clinic that inspired anger.
It's outrageous.
Threats.
Look, I mean, if Manatee County doesn't like us doing this, then we are totally fine with putting this in counties that want it.
Apologies.
I'm sorry.
And accusations.
It's so disingenuous. It's so unacceptable.
But while this recent clinic in a predominantly white Republican affluent Manatee County neighborhood made headlines last week, it's just one of more than 70 locations where the state has held what's known as pop-up vaccination clinics. 15 of them targeting senior communities, a governor priority for the vaccine.
Go where the seniors are.
And votes, critics say.
Are you satisfied with sort of where these pop-up vaccination sites are going?
No.
Representative Amari Hardy represents Democrat-dominant Palm Beach County, where pop-up clinics have taken place in 3 senior communities, mostly white, and growing with registered Republicans.
When the governor came down to Palm Beach County to Kings Point to vaccinate seniors, I was, of course, happy that seniors had access to the vaccine. But you know what? There are hundreds of units of senior housing right off of Tamarind Avenue in West Palm Beach, and those folks are majority black and brown. And yet the governor was not there.
How do we not look at this and say the governor is playing politics with this vaccine?
It's easy to say it's 100% politics.
Dr. Susan McManus is a political analyst on Florida's West Coast, where senior clinics have landed in 4 counties here, 3 of them Republican heavy.
The bottom line is these are places where there are huge concentrations of older voters. And right now, when your priority is to get as many people over 65 vaccinated as soon as possible, it makes a lot of sense to go where senior people are.
To date, nearly 48,000 first-dose shots have been administered to seniors during these senior-targeted pop-up clinics statewide. That's close to 30% more first shots than those given out at the state's 57 pop-up clinics held at minority churches, 7 of them in Palm Beach County. Usually, supply is limited to about 500 vaccines per church.
He's looking at the politics and he's not looking at the people.
We wanted to find communities that had high levels of seniors living in there.
In a partisan divided state, it's a controversy that will likely continue as long as vaccines are limited and political temperature is hot.
Ahead of a governor's race in another year, then sure, anything the governor does is going to be seen as political, and anything he doesn't do is going to be seen as political.
Katie LeGrone, WSFL TV.